Hi guys, I've been gone for a really long time. I haven't posted in what feels like forever, but this is not my comeback video. I will properly chat with you in another video soon. Meanwhile, I thought you'd enjoy this cute little DIY that I recently did. So yeah, let's get straight into it. In this video, I will be attempting to recreate this vase that I saw on Pinterest by this blogger named Bliss Makes. The materials you'd be needing to make this rainbow vase are a glass vase or any other vase that's lying around, spray paint, some paint brushes, Sculpey clay, this I got it off of Amazon, acrylic paints of your choice, hot glue gun, and Sculpey glaze or even Mod Podge. So you start off by spray painting the glass vase. I chose this beautiful rustic pink color and you let it dry until you can handle it. If you already possess a vase that you'd like to upcycle, then you can completely skip this step. So then you take your Sculpey clay and roll it as shown. My rainbow had 4 different bands, but you can always modify it to cater your creativity. And yeah, just remember to use a parchment paper at the bottom because this clay does stick to your countertops and you wouldn't want that. So yeah, essentially this is what you'll have at the end. Follow the instructions at the back of your clay pack. Mine said 275 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, so that's what I did. I popped them in the oven and they turn into these rock hard objects. And I went ahead and painted them to my liking. And I did have to go back and finish it with a second layer of paint and in some cases even a third layer. And finally, I added some Mod Podge to seal everything in place. And ultimately, go ahead and glue your rainbows onto your vase using a hot glue gun. As you can see, I didn't paint the back side of it because obviously that will not be visible. So yeah, this completes the DIY guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. And I know we're all living in scary times. I'm trying my absolute best to stay positive during quarantine. And I hope and pray that you're taking good care of yourselves and your family as well. So yeah, please stay home and stay safe guys. And I'll see you all very soon.